day 65. It's just before 6. I've waited all day for it to stop raining. It hasn't quite stopped yet, just a little bit drizzly. So it's a very late run. Put the light on. Be bright, be seen. And just oh, it's a bit glary. Just an easy mile this evening. I'm going to get off right away before it gets too dark. I'll see you on the way round. It's very wet and very miserable out here and cold. Well, I'm on the home run now, less than half a mile to go. I can't wait to get this one over and done with. I'm going to try and keep my cadence up on this little run. It won't result in speed now, but it will later on when I start introducing speed sessions. Sorry, that's day 65 done. A cold one, but a nice mile. And oh, it's so cold and wet out here. About 9:15 pace or 9:20 pace. I'm well happy with that. I think the cadence is probably up as well. Need to see the stats on that at the end. Check out Garmin Connect. Anyway, thanks for running with me today. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.